that there. All right, now let me show you something. You can get a Sabiki rod like this where the line goes directly from the reel into a hole, and the line goes all the way up inside of the rod out the top. So that way, when you reel your Sabiki in, the Sabikis go right in the tip like this, and they don't snag on anything. And this rubber thing, Thomas, do me a favor. Just real slowly, reel that in. So that they slide right in that tip without, go ahead, without catching on anything. And that way you can save your Sabiki at the end of the day without it snagging on everything. Because Lord knows Sabiki snag on everything. All right, guys, yell like crazy if you guys hook up here. I'm gonna go try and find some bait. There's a rock over here. There we go. Best thing to do when you get stringer full of baits, first thing you do is grab the weight to keep them from. Yeah. You grab the weight to keep the weight from swinging around and tangling everything up. If I don't have a D-hooker with me, but if I did, that would probably be.
Hello, I'm the D-hooker.
Eric is a 6'3" D-hooker. Good. So yeah, this is actually a star rod. I think this combo, I bought this combo at Bass Pro Shop. Oh, look at that. Full stringer. Oh, 2 just dropped off. 3 just dropped off. I just bought, while Eric D-hooks these, I bought this combo at Bass Pro for like probably 120 bucks one year. I've had it for a long time, but I don't typically use it. Usually I just throw a cast net and get all the baits I need, but because I want to show you guys, some people just aren't comfortable, they never get used to the cast net thing, and if you prefer a Sabiki,
it's also good from a pier or when the baits are swimming out past.
Yeah, if you're on a boat and you know, or at a pier or a jetty or an inlet, this is a great thing to have. It is a little bit of a pain, I'll be honest with you. You can't cast it very far, at least with the, it's not really, I guess you could put more weight on it, but the line is very light, so you got to be careful how much weight you put on there. Of course the big one comes off. I don't want these little guys. Sometimes you can shake the little guys off. Oh yeah, drag pullers, drag pullers, drag pullers, big boys. Woo! Oop. Oh, here, buddy. I'll take this one. Oh, no. Yeah. That could work. Until the birds find it. Until the birds find it.
It won't be long. Yeah.
No, it won't be long. I'm gonna go get more. Look at this guy going in my bucket, man. Hey, I keep feeding you. Yeah, go ahead. All right, so Sabiki rod. There's no guides on it. Oh my gosh, they're hitting so fast. So it's a little awkward, to be honest. But let's see. Oh boy. Yeah, he gone. But I mean, like, honestly, check this out. The rig is secure in here, and the weight goes up to the tip, and you don't have to worry about getting snagged on everything. So I like it. It's cool. If you don't want to use a cast net, which I typically lean on the cast net, but I wanted to show you guys this as an option number 2 for catching live bait. Oh my gosh, these guys are, whoa, look at that. Oh yeah, oh yeah. I got all 5. I lost one of my hooks, guys. Here. Yeah. The bleeding guy will throw back. We don't want to contaminate. Huh? Yeah, if they're bleeding real bad. Yeah. If they're bleeding real bad, guys, don't even bother putting them in.
So far down there, broke it off.
Broke off? Sorry. It's awesome. Yeah, okay, so guys,